A good cook. I'm hungry. Why don't we make cookies? That's a good idea. Do you know how we can use a cookbook? We could ask your mom why she's a good cook. Each country has its own special food. French cooks make good sauce. Korean cooks use a lot of garlic. Mexican cooks use a lot of hot peppers in their cooking. Fire, fire. My father is a fire chief. Burning on first is very dangerous, is it? Yes, but he's a bear and firefighter. Do they often get false alarms? Yes, especially on a full day. I bet the firemen get angry about that. Firefighting. There was a big fire in Hatfield last Friday. Several fire engines was out of the firehouse. A lot of firemen fought the fire and saved people's lives. Firefighting is a very risky job.